What's up, everybody? It's Rebecca-Louise, and welcome to your summer arm tone shred. Oh yes, today we are going to get nice and strong, and we're going to work those biceps and those bingo wings. I am so excited because guess what? Oh yes, this is our brand new app. Oh yes, completely brand spanking new. So make sure that you go and download it. It's available on iOS and Android, and I am so excited for you to get your hands on this brand new app. All right, let's get started with today's workout. We're also going to do a little bit of abs as well today to really just work that core nice and tight. All right, you're going to take those weights for me. We're going to have those feet a little bit wide and hip width distance apart. Bring those palms facing towards me, and we're going to take it into a bend over row. Palms are facing towards me, and then pull those elbows out to the side. So we're going to need a little bit of abs, but the majority of the abs workout, part of this 10-minute little tone upper body strength and shred, is going to be inside of the app. So every single time that I post a workout on YouTube, it's just a little teaser. It's not the whole thing. If you're on my app, you know, this is just the beginning of the workout. All right, really think about pulling those elbows out to the side. Think about it as if you're using a big barbell in front of you, something nice and long, and you're using those weights instead. So just pull those weights out to the side, lifting up through your chest. That's it. Try and bend over just a little bit more for me, and really pull those elbows out to the side. Give me one more. Now squeeze those shoulder blades and gently release down. Okay, we're going to come down to a single leg down onto the ground. We're going to take it into a narrow press. So bring that weight right here. Core is engaged, and we're going to push straight up, and then we're going to bring that elbow back down to that 90 degrees. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and squeeze. I want you to think about squeezing the glute as well. Think about both of your hips facing straight forward. Drop those shoulders down, lift that chest up, and then a nice, slow, narrow push up. That's it. Here we go. We're going to take it into some wide ones a little bit later on, but all we're going to do right now is take it into a narrow press. So that palm is facing towards the inside of you. You're squeezing those glutes nice and tight. You're going to take it down to that 90 degrees, and as soon as it's there, you're going to push all the way up. Now, the first time that you do this workout, I would try, 3 to 5 pounds, and then you're going to know, how does the last couple of reps feel? How do they feel? Okay, and what you want to do is then increase your weight as those last reps feel challenging. All right, here we go. We're going to take it over to the other side. So exactly the same thing. Both of those hips facing towards the edge of your mat. Bring that left arm up. You can even bring that hand right here on your hip. Squeeze those glutes, and then you're going to push straight up to the sky and then back down. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the last couple of reps that you do of any exercise want to be challenging. That's where you know that you are really using the right weight, because if it's too easy, what's going to happen is you're just going to fly through the workout, and you're never going to tone up and increase that muscle mass. All right, slow and controlled. Great stuff, everybody. Awesome start. Now remember, if you want to get the results are going to be the end of the workout. You got to keep on going every single day. Showing up to these workouts is the best way to get results. You've got 10 seconds right here. Slow and controlled. We're not going fast right here. Keeping both of those shoulders facing towards the edge of your mat. Give me one more and release. All right, standing all the way up, you can grab hold of one weight or two. I'm going to pull that core in nice and tight. Feet are parallel, a little bit wide and hip width distance apart, and we're going to take it into diagonal front raises. So you just take it across the body, a little bit of oblique work right here too. That's it. Drop those shoulders down, and then lifting up through the chest. Squeeze those glutes to protect your lower back, and up and down we go. Nice work, everybody. Remember, every time that you show up and you feel active, you're more likely to be motivated about other things in life. Just moving your body every single day is going to make you feel so much better. All right, we are over halfway on this. We're going to take it into some bicep curls around the world next. That's it. Now core is engaged nice and tight. Think about those obliques twisting. With every single rep that you do, it is twisting across your body. Here we go. 10 seconds left right here. Come on, really extend up through the chest. Give me one more either side. Down we go. Don't quit. All the way through. And release. All right, we're going to take it into a bicep curl with an around the world. So you want both of those palms facing up. You're going to squeeze those elbows in towards your waist, and we're going to take it into that bicep curl, take it all the way down, and then take it into and around the world. That's it, slow and controlled. So keep those elbows in towards your waist. have that full bicep curl all the way down, extend, and then take it over the top. That's it, you got this. Now, we've done these exercises once, we're gonna go through it one more time, but I promise you, the second time round is when you're gonna start to really feel it. The second time round is when you're gonna start to see those results, and that is what the most important thing is. All right, slowly all the way down. You've got less than 15 seconds. You've got this. All right, slow, control, drop those shoulders. Breathe, and you're gonna give me one more. Hold at the top for 3, 2, 1, and release. Nice work. All right, we're gonna take it back to that very first exercise. This time I want us to get a little bit lower. So bring those weights facing towards me, get those legs wider, and have them slightly turned out to a 45 degree. Now bend over just a little bit more, stick that booty back, and then let's pull up. Really thinking about using the back. You've got a little bit of burn in the biceps as well. The triceps are working through this. And then squeeze your back together. Really extend those arms forward, get that full range of motion, and then pull those weights out to the side. You've got that, that's it. Squeeze the back together, shredding those fat muscles every single time that we pull up and do a solid rep. That's it, here we go. We have got 15 seconds left to go right here. Core is engaged. Come on, really thinking about use the back to lift up. That's it, squeeze with every single rep. And let's give me one more all the way through. Slow and controlled lift and gently release. All right, we're gonna come down to the ground. So pop one of those weights over to the other side. We're gonna have both of those hips facing towards the edge of your mat. Bring that weight right here. Come on, you got this. Remember, every single time that we show up for a workout, we have 2 ways that we can approach it. We can approach it and say, you know what? I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna keep moving my body. I'm not gonna put pause on. I'm gonna smile. I'm gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna feel incredible afterwards. Or you can be like, oh, it's too difficult. I can't do this. I'm not good enough, right? Now just ask yourself, which one is gonna help you get the results that you are looking for? Because I promise you, if you just do the first one, it's gonna be much easier. All right, squeeze those glutes, both those hips facing towards the edge of your mat. Do not bring that arm too far down. Think about bringing that into that 90 degree and then push it all the way up to the top. And now give me one more, make it your strongest one yet. It's your last one on that side and take it over to the other side. So belly buttons pulled in, facing both of those hips towards your mat. Bring that other arm with your weight on the left side. And here we go in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This is the first workout that I've filmed without little Alfie around. Normally I just grab him for an intro. Normally I just grab him and try and pop him on a chair so that he can be here. But unfortunately, Alfie is now, he's looking over us instead. He is watching us from doggy heaven. All right, so we got Penny right here. And I'm just thinking, do we need to get another dog? Do we need to go rescue another little doggy and bring it as Penny's friend? I think Penny's actually quite enjoying being an only child and getting all of the attention. But we will see. All right, here we go. Push up. We got 10 seconds left to go. All the way up to the sky. Drop those shoulders down. Here we go. And give me one more nice and solid one. Remember, this is your best one, your last one. And then release all the way down. Now grab hold of that other weight for me. We're gonna come up to that standing position, feet a little bit wider than hip width distance apart. We're gonna take it onto those diagonal front raises. So hold those weights and remember to work those obliques. That's it, here we go. Lifting up through your chest. Taking a couple of breaths, inhale and exhale. Here we go. Now have that slight bend in your elbows. You're gonna feel that burn in your biceps, in your triceps, also through your back as well. And then as we work that twist, a little bit in those obliques. Looking so good, looking so strong. All right, here we go. One more exercise and then we're gonna take it into the second part of our workout for those of you on our app. Oh yes, that's where the real results start to happen. Yes, 10 minutes is great. However, big believer in getting 30 minutes of movement into your body every single day. It's gonna make a massive difference. I mean, if you do 10 minutes compared to 30, I mean, that's a massive difference. All right, here we go. We're gonna take it to that last exercise on this step. All right, so feet, just maybe bring them just a little bit closer this time. You're gonna have that nice bend in your knees. Bring those weights facing towards me, and here we go. We're gonna take into that bicep curl. Now squeeze, hold everything nice and tight. And the reason that I I really enjoy, talking to you throughout this workout is to do those constant little reminders, right? Squeeze the glutes, use the shoulders, extend those arms all the way down. Now bring those elbows to touch your hips, and then bring that weight all the way up to the top of your shoulders, and then slowly down, taking a look at those biceps as you get that full extension, and bring it into that over the top of your head, all the way down. So good, everybody. All right, here we go. Let's keep this energy alive, having fun with our workouts. It's crazy. I don't know how many workouts that I have filmed, and I still get excited to come on set every single time. Give me one more, all the way up, and gently release down. All right, nice work, everybody. You guys did incredible with today's workout. Oh my goodness, my arms are already on fire, but remember, the next part of the workout is inside of the app. It's also gonna track your workouts, and there's so many other fun programs in there as well. So enjoy the rest of your day, keep smiling, and I'll see you on our next workout. Bye, everybody.